Diversity and discrimination is our new topic we are going to cover. However, we have already covered the topic Understanding Diversity, that is the chapter 1 of the Civics Standard 6, and this is the chapter 2, Diversity and Discrimination. So, diversity means the differences in language, food, culture, and religion, isn't it? And discrimination means when the people are treated unfairly due to differences. So, let us try to understand how diversity and discriminations that has been explained in the chapter. So India is a country with many kind of diversity. People have different religion, speak different languages, eat different foods, celebrate different festivals, wear different clothes and have different customs also. It means we see a lot of diversity in India in regard of the food, language, festivals, the clothes they are wearing, the customs they are following. But even though diversity makes our country rich and interesting, sometimes people are treated unfairly because of these differences. However, diversity make India a very rich and interesting country, but sometimes this diversity just create discrimination, that is unfairly treatment because of lots of differences. Difference and prejudice. So these are two different terms, let us say. People are different in many ways, but that doesn't mean one is better than the other. However, sometimes people form prejudice. They judge other in a negative way without knowing them properly. So that is prejudice, when you are judging someone in a negative way without knowing them properly. Prejudice means having a fixed opinion or judgment about someone, often without any real reason. For example, thinking someone is not smart just because they are poor, or believing a certain group of people is dirty or lazy based on where they are live. So this is prejudice, that is having a fixed opinion or judgment about someone without any real reason. Prejudice often comes from fear, lack of knowledge, or old ideas passed down by the society. So these are the reasons. And it prevents people from understanding or respecting others who are different. And due to this, what happens? People just prevent to understand and respect others why they are different. They just can't able to just understood why the language is different, why they are eating other different kind of foods. Okay, even though they are diverse. So prejudice, what happen? They just create their judgment about someone without any real reason. Now, creating stereotypes. A stereotype is a general belief about a group that may not be true for every individual. Okay? Here, stereotypes are oversimplified ideas about people. Example, all boys are good at sports or girls are bad at maths. So, this type of stereotypes, because it is an oversimplified idea. These ideas ignores the real abilities and personality of individuals, and they often lead to unfair expectation or treatment. And these stereotypes are harmful because they limit opportunities, stop people from being seen for who they really are. Okay, so this is the stereotypes that we are seen as a just diversity. Okay. Due to this, inequality and discrimination is also seen. So people are often treated unequally because of prejudice and stereotypes. This results in discrimination. So due to this, what happens? Discrimination arises. It means people are treated unfairly due to differences. So discrimination means treating someone unfairly because just they are different. Example, not allowing someone to drink water from a common well because they belong to a lower caste. Discrimination can happen due to caste, religion, economic status like they are rich or poor, gender, skin color or appearance. So for this reason also discrimination happen. Now on being discriminated against, so discrimination is painful and unfair. People who face it feel humiliated, angry and left out. And the chapter shares the experience of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who belonged to the Dalit community, historically considered untouchable. He was not allowed to drink water for the public places and was treated badly by others. Even though he was a brilliant student, society treated him as inferior. So this is a discrimination. Dr. Ambedkar worked hard and fought against caste discrimination. He later became the chief architect of the Indian Constitution and fought for equal rights for all. So there is this one, the story has been there about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, regarding the discrimination that he has faced that was really very unfair. Now, struggles for equality. People have fought against discrimination to bring equality to society. Many individuals and social reformers in India, like Dr. Ambedkar, have struggled for the rights of the poor and oppressed. So, we have seen some struggles are also there for equality. They have tried to change the unfair rules of society. The Indian Constitution plays a big role in ensuring equality. It gives equal rights to all citizens. It says no one can discriminate against based on religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. So Indian Constitution play a big role in ensuring equality, and it gives equal rights to all citizens, and it says no one can be discrimination against based on religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. So finally, the chapter teaches us that diversity is a strength, but unfortunately, it often becomes a reason for discrimination in society. So we must learn to respect other differences, say no to prejudice, stereotypes, and discrimination. Work towards a society where everyone is treated equally and fairly. So diversity should unite us, not divide us. So this is about the diversity and discrimination. Just now we have gone through the chapter. I hope the overview of the chapter will help you to understand the chapter in a better way. So this much for this video.